Okay, children. Now the first part, atria, is completed. Right? Now we discuss second part, ventricles. Second part, ventricles. Now simply, so the two atria are completed now. Now this is ventricles. It is the left atrium and it is right atrium, left ventricle and right ventricle. Now children, two atrias next separated by the two ventricles. Here children, this is two atrias and two ventricles are separated by that one septum. Here children, two atrias and two ventricles separated by one septum, that is called atrioventricular septum. Ventricular septum. This is. Now the left atria opens into the left ventricle. Here children, it is the left atria opens into left ventricle through the left atrioventricular apparatus. This is called left atrioventricular aperture. It is the left atria opens into left ventricle through the left atrioventricular apparatus. The left atrioventricular apparatus, it is guarded by bicuspid valve. Children, it's very important for 2 marks question. Bicuspid valve. Here this is children. The left atria and right atria. It is the opening is there now. That opening is covered by the bicuspid valve. Now children, the right atria is opens into right ventricle through that right atrioventricular apparatus. This one, right atrioventricular apparatus. It is also guarded by tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. Children, it is very important valves. One is bicuspid valve and another one is tricuspid valve. Bicuspid valves are located in between the left atria and ventricle. Next, the tricuspid valves are located in between the right atria and the right ventricle. So it is very important for 2 marks question also. Now we discuss ventricle. The ventricles are, the wall of the ventricles is thicker than the atria children. See here, this is the wall of the ventricles. So the wall of the ventricles are thicker than the atrias. Now in that, the left ventricle, the wall of the left ventricle is thicker than the right ventricle, because the left ventricle is pump the blood to the different parts of the body. That's why the left ventricle, the wall of the left ventricle is thicker comparing to the right ventricle. Now, so blood flow from the left atria to the left ventricle, then blood flow from the right atria to the right ventricle. Now listen, the blood flow from the left atria to left ventricle, and next here blood flow from the right atria to right ventricle. That means your oxygenated blood flowing to the left ventricle and here deoxygenated blood flowing to the right ventricle. Okay. See here, the inner surface of the heart. Now children, the inner surface of the heart, it has ridges-like structures. The inner surface of the heart has a ridges-like structures is called, so the ridges-like structures is called columnae carneae. Columnae carneae. Okay. In that, some ridges has larger and conical structures. That is called papillary muscles. Papillary muscles. Here children, very important for 2 marks questions are columnae carneae and papillary muscles. Columnae carneae means the inner surface of the ventricles has ridges like structures. Here children, some ridges or conical structures, that is called columnae carneae. In these ridges, some of the ridges has large in size and conical structures. They are called papillary muscles. Now between the papillary muscles and bicuspid tricuspid valves, cardia tenedia also present, children. Cardia tenedia. Okay, in between the papillary muscles and bicuspid tricuspid valves. Now, so second spot, the ventricles are completed, children. Simply, the ventricles and atria both are separated by the interatrioventricular septum. That is the first point. Then second point, the left atria separated from the left ventricle, or the left atria opens into the left ventricle through the left atrioventricular apparatus. This one, it is guarded by bicuspid valve. Next, the right atria opens into the right ventricle through the right atrioventricular apparatus. Right atrioventricular apparatus. Now, it is guarded by tricuspid valve. Next, the left atria, left ventricle is guarded by the bicuspid valve. Next here, children, the inner surface of the ventricles, it is erasing some ridges-like structures. That is columnae, carnae. In that, some of the ridges has large and conical shape, is called the papillary muscles. In between the papillary muscles and tricuspid bicuspid valves is called the cardia tenedia. Okay. Now third point or third part, it is nodal tissues. Nodal tissues. Here, children, just only two nodal tissues are there. Very specialized tissues, that is SAN, another one AVN. SAN means sinoatrial node. Next, atrioventricular node. Okay, two types of special cardiac tissues. They are sinoatrial node and atrioventricular node. Here, children, the sinoatrial node that is present on upper, children listen, this is the right atria now. In right atria, it is upper side and this is the lower side. Upper right corner, for example, this is the left corner now. Now this is right corner. Upper right corner of right atria, it is SAN. The SAN location, upper right corner of the right atria, it is. Okay, it is SAN. Now another one, AVN. AVN, children. So it is lower now. It is upper means this is the lower. Lower left corner here, children. Lower left corner of the right atria. It is AVN. Okay now. The location of SAN, upper right corner of the right atria, and AVN is, the location of AVN is lower left corner of the right atria. That is nodal tissues.